this. When you cut all the solid haircut starting from the straight haircut, that is called 0 degree. Okay. And how you want to know what is the 0 degree, I will tell you. That's this called D. We have always in the geometry box, this is a D, so we work on that. So 0 degree, what is 0? 0 is from here. The start from bottom, that called 0. In between they call 90 degree, and upper portion is 180. When you create some solid small haircut like a bob, blunt, then you can cut on 45 degree. Okay, drawing over there. This is called D. D. You write over there? Shall I remove? So how you cut the hair? This is your head, example. Okay? So what we do here, when you want to cut straight haircut, you can take your law of the ear section and cut on the, tell me, 0 degree. Talk loudly. What about when you finish the back portion, like ear to ear back portion? What about the middle of the ear? How much when you cut, how much you cut, like which degree?
90 degrees.
No, 0 degree. This is solid haircut. What about the top of the ear?
0 degree.
Okay. What about this portion in the solid haircut?
0 degree.
Very good. So the whole basic haircut come, which is a solid haircut, that come on the 0 degree. Because if you cut 0 degree, the haircut seen only on the down portion, not in between. This is not a steps haircut, not a blending set. Okay, you understand till here?
Yes.
So what we do now? Come here. We try to hear. You know about 7 sections. 4 basic section and another top of the ear, middle of the ear, and the down of the ear. So now you have, what about the section name?
Central part.
Central partition. This is a basic one. What about these partition? This is also called one partition. Tell me please. You know some occipital bone is back side. That called beginning of the eyebrows. Right over there. Section name, beginning of the eyebrows. Okay. What about this? That's called middle of the eyebrows. Middle. What about this? Any guesses? Any guesses? Try to. Now eyebrow is end, so that called end of the eyebrows. So this section help you to do what? I'll tell you about. This section help you about when you want to cut fringe, when you want to cut the fringe, then they help you. So that time you can create the beginning of the eyebrows and cut the hair. Example, you create the section, then you cut the hair. When you cut the hair, this portion, when you divide this hair, the hair comes like this, like this. If you cut in the middle for this section, and the section cut on the 0 degree, because when you cut the hair, the haircut will be touched on the scalp. When the hair will be touched on the scalp, that calls 0 degree. Okay. So when you cut the 0 degree for this section, like the middle of the eyebrows, we cut here according to customer demand, how much they wanted, how much they short. You can ask first. You can decide. When the client said how much they said, like example, client said point to be nose, like the point to the nose till nose. So you can cut more than that. Don't cut exactly. Okay, because if you have a hair, you can like do properly after that also. But if you cut short, you can't grow the hair. You understand that?
Yeah.
So what we do here, if the client says point to be nose, like till here, client needs, you can cut more than that. So if sometime problem comes, you need to trim more. But if you cut short, then you can't grow the hair. Okay. So what about this hair? This hair can create like stunting hair. Like somebody needs so much hair in the front, then you can design middle of the eyebrows. So if you cut in the middle of the eyebrows, example, you take a section on a 0 degree, all the front will become on the 0 degree, because all the hair when you create in the front portion, that will become touch to the skin. When they touch the skin, that calls 0 degree. So what we do here, when you cut in this 0 degree, and after that cut stunting or straight, after that when you leave the hair comes like this one is like that, or like that comes, like a layers comes like this. Okay. When client want more light, then you can go for the end of the eyebrows. Then when you go for the end of the eyebrows, cut on the 0 degree. So the hair comes like this in the front, like this comes in the front. So proper layers comes in this. So do you understand this here or?
Yes.
Okay, what we do here, I can show you one by one. Okay. What we do, first we take beginning of the eyebrows. We cut on a 0 degree. Fall comes for the in the layer. Okay. Now we take for middle of the eyebrows. Cut on a fall comes for the more layer. Okay. Now we cut the hair on the end of the eyebrows. On which degree? And falls comes from more than first layer here. So almost when you cut the hair, client hair comes for the point to be nose, point to be chin, point to be, because all hair fall comes like that. Then if you cut whatever you are, whoever you are, when you cut the hair, it doesn't go like that. They always come like that. So how you decide the cut hair is suitable for some person who you cut the hair. Like example, if I cut your hair, example, if we cut the hair for her, so she have very sharp chin here. So what we do here, we design the hair middle of the eyebrows. This is the middle of the eyebrows. We design the hair here and cut to the hair till here, and then all the hair will connect with that. Okay. For example, you cut the hair. Example, you cut the hair here, first layer, middle of the eyebrows. Then these hair in the center part, in the back side also, all the hair will connect on that hair, or cut to the point to the nose. So when you leave the hair, they automatically layers comes. So easy to do haircut. When you cut the back side also, you can just take the guideline from this side and do again. But you can cut on the front of point to the nose. All the section come here, not there. Front to the nose. You can check this straight or not. Okay. If you do mistake here, you can't fill up that mistake. Okay. So very carefully when you cut the hair, you can cut point to the nose and connect with that. So you done the blow dry also yesterday. You done the blow dry. So you done the blow dry. What the blow dry main purpose is blow dry. When you do the blow dry on a hair, example, you create this section. Okay. You blowing the hair. When you want to blowing the hair, your brush should be always in this angle, not be here. When you cut solid haircut, okay? Because if this hair goes to this hair, when you blow dry the hair, this will be bounce come here. When you leave the hair in the down, that comes bouncy here. When all the blow dry will be done, that hair will be like fluffy in the back side. which is not look good for the solid haircut, because solid haircut in the sense you need to show neat and clean and straight like this. So what you do here, you can do, if you want to go, you can go on 45 degree, not more than that, because this is 90 degree or a 0. You can play in between. Don't go up, down is okay. You can go till 45 degree. Again, if you blow here also, you can do in 45 degree. Do you understand that? 0 to 45 degree. So, you understand till here? One more important thing. See, when you create 4 basic section, after the 4 basic section, you can check. First of all, do not cut the hair. You can check the client hair first. Do not tell without the check the client which haircut is suitable for you. You can when the client, you just call the client, sit on the chair. After that, you can check the hair, how the capacity of the hair, how much thick they are. Okay, the thick, the scanty, the scare, the curly. So according to hair structure, you can create the haircut. If they have a curly hair like this, you can't do layer haircut in this. If you cut in this layer haircut, they're bushy. They come like that. So what you do in this, you can do in vertical layers. In vertical layers in the sense, in 45 degree. If you cut the hair in 45 degree, the curly hair, example 45 degree, you cut the hair this one. This, the front one here, you cut in 40 degree. So after they shrink also, they come like this only. Not more than that. If you cut this hair in 90 degree, where they go? They come up. After that, this portion is separate and this portion will be separate. It's not look good. So if you have wavy hair like this, then you can go for layer haircut. It's okay. Because when you blow the hair should be look neat. When the people have a straight hair, what you do in this? What? Which haircut you do in this? Example.
Straight hair. A 0 degree.
This is okay. But see, curly hair you never do more than 45 degree up. Okay? In the basic one. And if you have wavy hair, then you can go for layer haircut. It's okay. But if they have a straight haircut, then and client need a layer haircut, tell them it's not possible to do layer haircut in your hair. It's possible to do laser haircut, like razor. The razor haircut comes very sharp. I'll teach you how to go with the razor. So people in India, a lot of people, 95% people doesn't know how to cut the razor haircut. They cut with the scissor only. When the layer comes, they call razor haircut. But it's not razor haircut. Razor haircut comes with a razor comb. The razor comb with that. You can done with that. I'll show you for that. So this one is done. So till now, when we start the course, which is very difficult to you till now? Tell me the question. Tell me anything which is very which is not understand you properly. Practice for difficult. If you want to ask something, you can ask. So I'll clear your problem here.
So far, I got it all.
Okay. That's it. Okay. So one more final thing. Today we do straight blow dry again. And which problem I told you how you do the blow dry, you can clear that problem. Okay. After that we do some V-shape haircut, U-shape haircut. After that we do V-shape. First we do U. Today you can go for the blow dry. So blow dry in 45 degree to 0. Don't go up. And squeeze the hair properly. So this much is I think this much here is okay for you because it's too much comes in that. Okay. That. Now